fucking hot, man. Stop fucking laughing. Ah! God damn it! God damn it. Bro, it's fucking hot.
Just put it there, man.
It's so goddamn hot.
Can you bring me a bucket?
Yeah, sure.
Come on, man, hurry up.
For fuck's sake, take it easy, man.
I'm paying for a minute here.
God damn it. It's not like I'm getting paid, am I?
No, you're not.
Well, what's the fucking rush? I'm supposed to drill something in here, right?
Yeah, you can do that.
That's doopity dope.
Have you ever done this before?
Yeah, of course I have.
Why are you lying?
I've seen it on television.
Why are you lying, man?
Why the fuck you're lying?
Fucking lying bastard.
Then how the fuck do I know we're gonna use this?
You don't know what to use.
I fucking know.
You don't know. Alright,
I have a goddamn bicycle.
show me the tools you're going to use.
God damn it. It didn't work.
That's too big.
It's always too big. Am I right or am I right?
You're so wrong, man.
God damn it.
Yeah, it fits. It fits.
It feels like clockwork.
You need to use your muscles.
Oh, God damn it.
You can do it, man. Come on. Careful. Don't drop the plug.
I feel like I'm not gonna like this fucking.
Careful, man. Oh, yeah. You have to wait.
I dropped the cap, man.
Oh no, you dropped the plug.
It's so warm and delicious.
Fucking idiot.
Oh my god. It's.
Oh.
I don't wanna do this. I wanna go home.
To retrieve it, man.
I wanna go home.
How are we going to retrieve it, man? Come on, you can put it down now.
I can put it down?
You can put it down.
Are you helping me?
Careful.
What am I doing?
Put it down, man, come on. Put it down.
Mama, what have I done, Mama? It looks like blood, man.
Looking good.
He told me not to drop it. And I dropped it.
How are we going to retrieve it?
Why the fuck you lying? Ah, it's fucking hot, man. Stop fucking laughing. Ah! God damn it! God damn it. Bro, it's fucking hot.
Just put it there, man.
It's so goddamn hot.
I know.
It's like 500 toasts. Oh my god, that's so hot.
Ooh, it's hot. God damn, it's hot. Ah, come on.
As you can see, this is going mighty well.
Yeah.
We're doing a bang-up job.
We're just like professionals.
Except we are professionals.
Professionals at
Sucking. Not dick, just sucking.
sucking. Lollipop or what?
Lollipop. I thought you needed paper, so I
Hello,
brought you
Prince.
paper.
Hello, Prince.
Here.
Don't give me all of it, come on. I just need a piece of it. Not everything, come on. You have to try to be serious, we have a show to do.
I am
Come on.
serious, goddammit. Oh, shit. This is a hole. You are supposed to lube the hole before putting it in. And then you insert it. And this is how you get kids. It was so hot. Oil is hot, people. Let's remember this.
Very, very old.
Delicious.
Black and disgusting. Let's go.
I think it is great.
And all people. Ta-da! That's it.